Is it recording? Here we go. Notes. Okay, starting the notes for the 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree special right triangle. Okay. A 30, 60, 90 triangle is going to look something like this. Okay. Now, one 30, 60, 90 degree triangle, even if it's facing the same way, will not be the same as another one. I know my angles are going to be a little bit off, but that's not going to matter, right, Daisy? Daisy? Are you dazing off? Yeah, you are. Here we go. Okay. They're just going to label one angle. When you see a triangle like this, you're only going to see one of them, either the 30 degrees or the 60 degrees. I need you to the very first thing is, write the other angles in there. This 30, 60 degree triangle is not the same as this 30, 60 degree. Why? Because if this one's 30, what's this one over here? 60? Yeah, this one's 30 and 60, and we know this one's 90. Okay, well, we don't have to label it. It has a little corner box thing. This is the 30 and this is 60. Whereas this one, the 60 is here and the 30 is where? Over here. You see, watch out, because they're going to kind of rotate them, change the orientation, flip them, and don't think they're facing the same way. See, 30 degrees is here, and over here, 30 is over here. See, careful. Okay, so the first thing, label the angles. Okay, here you go. This is the side relationships. Here it is, side relationships. I'm just going to jump into the water. Side relationships. What are the side relationships for a 30, 60, 90 triangle? What does that mean? Well, how do you label the sides? How are they related? How do I label the sides? That's what I'm talking about. Okay, here's the first one you're going to label. Ready? Number one. The first one you always label when you look at a 30, 60, 90 is the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is (2x). Now, if you remember and if you look on the board over there, the hypotenuse for a 45, 45, 90 also has a 2. But it's not 2x. You see, what is it over there? See how, remember it's x root 2? Don't confuse it with this. Okay, so which one's the hypotenuse? Which one is the hypotenuse side? The diagonal one, right? This one right here? You guys can easily identify the hypotenuse. That one is what? Label it 2x. That's it. We're just labeling them. Yeah? And where's the hypotenuse over here? Well, the same one. The diagonal one, right? The hypotenuse is 2x. Is that easy to find and label? Yeah. You're not going to mess that up. That one's 2x. Anybody know which one you label next? That's number 2, the second side, right? The one you label next is this. The side. The side opposite. The side opposite of the 30 degree angle is x. Go ahead and find your 30 degree angle. And the side that is opposite of it, that's the x side. Go ahead, label it off. Label it off on this one and label it on this one. Let's see what you do. The side opposite of 30 degrees is x. So what does that mean? That means that I look for my 30-degree angle. And this 30-degree angle, right, if I put this pencil here and I put, this pen here and this pen here, right, here's my 30-degree angle, but this 30-degree angle is making which side? Or the side opposite of it is this one, see? That's what they mean by the side opposite of it. This angle here, if I follow it, is creating this side. The side opposite of 30 is what? X. Are you guys good with that? Yeah. Does that mean this one's X? Does that mean this one's X over here if I'm looking at this other different triangle over here? No. Why not? Why not? Because this one's not 30. You got to look for 30. Oh, 30's up here. That means you look at the side opposite of it. The side opposite of 30 is what? Label it X. That is my X side. We're not doing numbers yet. We're not doing all. We just got to master this and know how to label the sides correctly. That's what we're doing. The side relationships. We're almost done, right? We already did 2. Which one's the one you first label? The hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is 2x. We did that already. And then this is the one you look for next. The one opposite of 30 degrees is x. Does anybody remember what the third side is? There's only one side left. We have to label this last side. It is the side opposite of what? Thank you. The side opposite of 60 degrees is, anybody remember what it is? X. No, we already have an X and we have a 2X. It has to be something else. No, it's this. I'm telling you, this one's more difficult. It's complicated. It's this. X root 3. Whatever the value of X is times root 3. That's what it is. That's what it is. We are done. We are done. Let's see. Well, not really. We're done labeling the 3 sides. What is this one going to be? Right, the last one, it's opposite of 60. Yeah, X root 3. You see, this one's trickier. It's not as simple as the 45, 45, 90. X root 3. We're just labeling the triangle, yes? A 30, 60, 90. Okay, let's try a couple of them over here. All right. Go ahead and draw one that looks like this. Real quick there in your notes. And this one's 60. Go ahead and label the 3 sides, the side relationships. Let's see. What is the first thing I told you guys to make sure you do before you start? What is the first thing I said? Make sure you have all the angles here written in there and you know which one's which. If this one's 60, because they're not going to write it, they're only going to write one of them. If this one's 60, what's this one? 30, right? Because this is a 30, 60, 90. Yeah. Okay. And let's see. What did I say to label first? The hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is 2x. Go ahead and label the hypotenuse 2x. That is this bad boy right here, 2x. We got it? Okay. Always do that one first. That one's going to be easy to find. You won't. I hope you don't mess this one up. Which one's next? The side opposite of 30. Look for the 30-degree angle. That's why I want you to write them in. And the side opposite of 30 is what? X. That should be this one over here. Everybody got it? And then there's only one side left. What's the last side going to be? X root 3. That's how I need you to do it. Okay, I'm going to stop the video here. Now go to your worksheet.